Hi, sixth graders. It's Miss Alicia. I wanted to do a video for you. This video is about turning a mixed number into a improper fraction and turning improper fraction into a mixed number. Now, I wanted to do this video because I know we have a little bit of trouble with that. So I'm going to do one example. And I think it's a good example because this example, I'm actually going to multiply mixed numbers. And my product is going to be an improper fraction. And I'm going to have to turn that improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? Let's do this together with Miss Alicia. So 2 and 1/2 times 3 and 1/3. Okay? All right, so these are mixed numbers. And since we are multiplying mixed numbers, we must, and I know we talked about this today, we must turn them into improper fractions. You cannot multiply the whole numbers. That is wrong. You must turn your mixed numbers into improper fractions if you are multiplying. If you are adding or subtracting, this is fine. You don't have to turn it into an improper fraction. But if you are multiplying or dividing, all your mixed numbers need to be turned into an improper fraction. Okay? All right, so this is 2 and 1/2. Okay, in order to turn this over into an improper fraction, I'm going to multiply my denominator by my whole number, and then I'm going to add my product to 1. So put a multiplication sign there, addition sign there. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, so my numerator now becomes 5 over, denominator stays the same, 2. Bring down your multiplication sign. Now I have to do the same thing to this mixed number. 3 times 3 is 9. Put my multiplication sign. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I just added 1. So now it's 10 over, denominator stays the same, 3. And I know some of you, especially my students, I have spoken to you over and over again about using cross cancellation, which is reducing your fractions before you multiply. Okay? So let's see. I'm looking at 5 and 3. 5/3. Can I reduce that? No, I cannot reduce 5/3. So can I reduce 10/2? Yes, I can. 2 goes into 2 one time. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my new set of fractions is 5/1 times 5/3. So this equals 5 times 5 is 25 over 1 times 3 is 3. So my answer is 25/3. But can we leave our answer as 25/3? No. Okay? We cannot leave our answer as 25/3. We have to turn this improper fraction. And the reason it's called an improper fraction is because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we must turn this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? So let's do that. I'm just going to erase the top. So now I have my answer is 25/3, and I want to turn that into a mixed number because I don't want to leave my answer as 25/3. Okay? I hope you guys can see. Let me fix the light. Is that a little better? I hope so. So 25/3. So what I need to do is I need to divide. My numerator becomes my dividend in my box, 25. My denominator is outside my box is my divisor. Put my invisible multiplication sign. What number times 3 is closest to 2 without going over? 0 times 3 is the closest to 2 we can get without going over 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down my 5. What number times 3 is close to 25 without going over? 8. Very good. 8 times 3 is 24. I have a remainder 1. Now, I'm not going to add a decimal and a 0 because I want to make sure I have a remainder. Okay? I need a remainder. Okay, sorry. I need a remainder. So my mixed number is going to be 8 wholes and 1 over 3. So 8 and 1 over 3. My quotient is my whole number. My remainder is my numerator. And my denominator is my divisor. It stays the same. Okay? So this is my answer, 8 and 1 over 3. So I want you guys to practice this, play this video over and over again. I don't know what just happened to the computer. Hopefully you can see everything clearly. I will watch it to see how well it came out. But please watch it over and over again. On Friday, we will have stations. You'll be working a lot with fractions, multiplying fractions, comparing fractions, and decimals. All right, I want to give a shout out to Giovanni. He stayed after today, and he used Think Central online, and he was just doing all these problems on his own on the smartboard. Very much into it. Congratulations. And he just really understands how to compare decimals and fractions. Okay? All right, see you guys tomorrow. Please watch the video. Okay, bye-bye.